Hello, viewers. Welcome to our technical mock interview sessions. So, we have Nivesh Bansal here for this session. Let's start. Hello, Nivesh.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I am doing good. Thank you.
That's great. Let's begin with our technical mock interview round.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So, Nivesh, can you differentiate between recursion and iteration?
Yes, recursion is the process in which a function calls itself until the base condition is reached, and whereas iteration is a repetition of the process until the condition is failed. And the second difference is recursion takes more memory and more time due to the overhead of maintaining stacks, whereas iteration takes less memory and it is faster than recursion. And in recursion only the base condition is involved, whereas in iteration we require initialization, condition and updation as well.
Quite good, Nivesh. Now, tell me what is the necessary condition for a tree to be a AVL tree?
Okay, so for a tree to be a AVL tree, the necessary condition is that the difference between the left subtree and the right subtree is not more than 1. That means it always belongs to the set of -1, 0 and 1. This is the necessary condition.
Fine. So in AVL tree, if node is added to the left part of the right subtree and the tree is unbalanced, then how will you balance the tree?
Okay, so for making the unbalanced tree, we need to perform some rotations, and in this problem, we have to perform the left-right rotation.
Okay. Okay. Now, can you differentiate between query and subquery?
Yes, query is we can explain the query as a question or doubt. Query is used to traverse over the data to find the needed information, whereas subquery is a type of query which is written inside the another query. It provides the data to the main query. This is the difference.
All right. Can we use order by clause inside subquery?
No, ma'am, we can't use order by clause inside the subquery.
Why so? Can you give reasons?
Yes, because the subquery are not able to manipulate the result internally. That's why we can't use order by clause within the subquery.
Okay. All right. Now, Nivesh, tell me, if you find any redundant data in the database,
Yes, ma'am.
then how will you manage it?
I will manage it by doing the normalization.
Okay, what is normalization? I mean, how do you do this?
Okay, so normalization is a process of removing the redundancy from the data by managing the data into multiple tables. This is how we can perform the normalization and we can reduce the redundancy from the code, from the data.
Okay, how many types are there?
There are four types of normalization. First is the 1NF, first normal form. Second is 2NF, second normal form. Third is third normal form, and fourth is Boy-Scout normal form.
Fine. Do you know about inheritance?
Yes, ma'am, I know about inheritance.
Yeah, can you explain it?
Yes, inheritance is one of the principle of object-oriented paradigm programming. In this, the subclass inherits the properties and methods of the parent class. It is basically used for the code reusability, and in this subclass can access all its members and properties and also add their own methods and properties.
Fair enough. Now tell me, Nivesh, is there any limitation of inheritance?
Yes, ma'am. There are a couple of limitations of inheritance.
Can you name them?
Yes, ma'am. First one is the code redundancy. Means the subclass inherits everything from the superclass, whether it is needful or not. And second is the subclass and the superclass become tight coupled. Means if a change is made to the subclass parent class code, then it will affect to all the classes, all its subclasses. So it means there are become tight coupled.
All right. So, Nivesh, my last question for today is, how will you get the sorted set of integers in Java?
Okay, for this, do I need to write the code?
No, no need to write the code. You can just tell the logic.
Okay, so for this problem, I will use the collection framework.
Okay. How will you implement it?
Basically, I use the tree set in which I add the element one by one, and because of the default property of tree set, I will get the
Hmm.
sorted set of integers.
Okay. Is this the only possible solution for the problem?
Yes, ma'am. I think so.
Think again. Take your time. Just try to optimize it.
Okay, ma'am. The second approach which comes to my mind is we can use the hash set instead of the tree set. We can use the hash set and then convert it into the tree set. It
Now
will,
you are on the right
yes,
track.
ma'am. It will save our time.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nivesh.
Thank you, ma'am.